Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete messages on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tinder application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Tinder has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, go to the message interface, tap on the message icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all the messages over here. Simply tap on the message that you want to delete. Unfortunately on Tinder you'll not be able to delete the specific messages. You can see over here if you long press on the message you'll only be able to find the option for copy. So if you want to delete the message, you'll have to delete the message entirely. For that, what you have to do is unmatch this person. When you unmatch anyone on the Tinder, their message will be deleted. So for that, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on this option, unmatch. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Would you like to unmatch this user? Tap on this option, yes, unmatch. Now you can see over here that person will be unmatched and their message will be deleted. So that is how you delete messages on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.